The biology and taxonomic rank, which is called phylum, is below the rank called kingdom. The word phylum comes from the Greek word phylon, which means race or tribe, and was coined by Ernst Haeckel, a German biologist and physician. It is the grouping of organisms based on characteristics, or traits, that make a group of organisms more closely related than that of other organisms who are grouped in a separate phylum. Scientists, more specifically biologists, continue to divide or combine organisms as more knowledge is obtained, particularly at the molecular level. Archaea is a kingdom rank of organisms that are single-celled microorganisms, or microbes. They were originally classified as bacteria. There are currently 5 separate phyla, such as Crenarchaeota, which thrive in what we would consider extremely harsh environments, such as sulfur hot springs. An example is Sulfolobus, which was discovered living in the Solfatara, a volcanic crater. Bacteria are organized into 29 phyla. With regard to bacteria, the 3-domain system is preferred. They are typically divided into different phyla based on phylogenetics, which is based on studying DNA structure. The most common phylum is Proteobacteria, an example of which is Escherichia coli, also known as E. coli, most of which are harmless and can be found in warm-blooded animals. Protist taxonomy is considered unbalanced, with different scientists classifying them in different ways. Most protists are unicellular, although some, such as algae, are multicellular. There are currently 20 distinct phyla of protists, among which are the Radiolaria, which have a diameter between 0.1 and 0.2 millimeters and are found throughout the oceans. The kingdom of fungi are broken down into 8 phylum. Biologists that specialize in studying fungi find their classification process problematic as they are polyphyletic, which means their characteristics are similar but have not been inherited by a common ancestor. Microsporidia is one of the phylum that includes Xenoma, a parasite that can infect mostly fish. The plant kingdom is separated into 14 phylum, or more commonly called divisions. The oldest plant species is the Ginkgo biloba, which belongs to the division Spermatophyta. Fossil records show they have existed for 270 million years and can be found in China. Another division of plants are the Pinophyta, which are commonly known as conifers. Biologists and zoologists have currently divided the animal kingdom into 35 phylum, though there is much debate on this subject. Among the simplest of animals belong to the phylum Porifera, which includes sponges. The most complex animals belong to the phylum Chordate, with an example being the tiger. In the next video, we will discuss the rank called class.